Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jaggery wine at home, full guide. Begin by sanitizing all equipment and gathering Jaggery, water, yeast, nutrients, and fermentation vessels. Cleanliness is essential to avoid spoilage. Measure ingredients precisely and warm the water to dissolve Jaggery evenly. Pitch yeast at the recommended temperature, aerate the must well, and maintain steady fermentation conditions for the best flavor development. For a reliable batch, source aromatic Jaggery, clean water, a wine yeast, and yeast nutrient. These form the backbone of your must. Dissolve Jaggery in warm water and check specific gravity or estimated sugar for target alcohol. Adjust acidity gently if needed to match typical wine balance. Proper nutrient dosing and selecting a suitable yeast strain reduce off odors and help the fermentation finish cleanly, yielding a smoother wine. Pitching active yeast into an oxygenated must kickstarts fermentation. Keep the temperature steady and monitor activity daily. Track specific gravity to determine when primary fermentation ends and transfer to secondary to minimize lees contact. Allow the wine to mature off the yeast for weeks to months, depending on desired clarity and flavor smoothing. Taste periodically, rack to remove sediment, and stabilize before bottling to ensure a balanced, drinkable fine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.